I'm drunk.
Ano man, hiling?
What you wish? Okay, I'm gonna be.
Translator.
English.
Sige, Graven.
Go.
I'm translator for you.
My wish is my command.
Yamatik ko this. Ay.
Come on, Raven, where are you going?
My vlog.
I'm gonna be your light for today's video. Wait, where are you going? Where are you going, Die?
I'm going to sleep now, right now.
You're gonna sleep right now?
Because my baby is not allowed me.
You're kigul na.
My bird signal.
The signal is very low.
Oh, yes.
As the day winds down, set an alarm that you know
Oh,
morning
Nana.
right now. Using the Clock app from Google on Android, Spotify will start your morning with a perfect soundtrack to wake up to. Or hear again and again.
Me, what is your secret to be your pretty or...
Face?
Yes.
For
Your
me.
face is pretty. For what is beauty for you?
My big
Oh my God, the signal is hinay.
bow.
Me, you have a bunhok in your face.
Where?
in the agtang.
Why?
Yes, you need to speak in English because we're a foreigner.
You have to bunog in kuan daw and the agtang. Okay, tabang.
Is it true that he has a bunhok in his
I'm
agtang?
to agtang.
Oh yes, that is the one that I like.
For me, my face is very beautiful because my secret is beautiful
Ah, beautiful.
Yes.
Your secret.
with mist and paracetamol and biogesic
And antibiotics.
and an biological caldinavang char lang.
Let's go now.
Later na. Because
Mommy, are you going to Lolo today? Are you going to Lolo?
later park na ate because I have an appointment too. Hey!
Okay. Oh my God. My. It because the signal is so very low. That's why.
For signal.
And I will gonna send to this in.
Can't you break my mind?
Oh, that's a pretty pani.
This is quiero
A pretty genie.